Hello, I am Diana. Nice to meet you. I am passionate, optimistic, and a good listener. I really love sharing my knowledge with other people. Shortly, teaching is my passion. Aside from teaching, I'm very encouraging person. I know that English is sometimes not that easy to learn, but I would like to experience the fun in learning. Let me help you improve your communication skills through my lessons.